Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 square roots and cube roots. In that exercise 6.5 third question, state true or false. The given statement is cube of an even number is an odd number. Okay, so this is the given statement. Which is right or wrong? I am going to explain with example. A cube of an even number. So clearly I am taking here 2. 2 is what, Nana?
Even number.
It is even number. Okay, its cube. 2 is even, then its cube. 2 cube is equals to what, Nana? That is 8. 8 also even number. Okay, next I am taking 4. 4 is a even number and its cube. 4 cube means what, Nana? That is we get a 64. Okay, now 4 cube means what? That is 64. So 64 also even number. So we can conclude that the cube of an even number is a even number. But here given statement is cube of an even number is odd number annadu. So that's why the given statement is what, Nana? A false statement. Okay, students. So this is the explanation for this statement. Now second statement is given. A perfect cube may end with 2 zeros. May end with 2 zeros. This is the given statement. Which is true or false? See here, I am taking example. We know a perfect cubic number. So for example 10 cube. 10 cube means what, Nana? That is 10 into 10 into 10, that is equals to 1000. Okay, now so 1000 is a perfect cubic number. It is end with how many zeros, Nana? 3 zeros. But here a perfect cube may end with 2 zeros annadu. So that's why the given statement is what, Nana? It's a false statement. Okay, students, a perfect cube may end with 3 zeros only, not 2 zeros. Okay. Third question is given. If a number ends with 5, if a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 5. Then its cube ends with 5. Okay, students, are you understood this statement? If a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 5. See, I am taking here example. I am taking 5. A number is 5. Okay, 15 తీసుకుందాం. A number end with 15. 15 is a number. It is end with what, Nana? 5. Now see its cube. 15 cube means that is 15 into 15 into 15. Okay, 15 15s are what? 225 into 15. 225 into 15 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? Okay, students, 15 cube means that is 15 into 15 into 15. 15 15s are 225. Again into 5 means we get 3375. So 15 cube means that is 3375. A number is end with 5, then its cube also end with 5 only. So the given statement is what now? True statement. Okay na? So this is the explanation for this statement. Okay. A cube of a number ending with 0 has 3 zeros as its rights. Has 3 zeros at its rights. Okay students, so this is the given statement. Cube of a number ending with 0 has 3 zeros at its right. So for example, I am taking here 20 తీసుకుంటున్నా. 20 cube means what nana, that is 20 into 20 into 20. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 0 0 0. Okay, so right side any numbers ఉన్నాయి? Has 3 zeros at its right. A cube of a number ending with 0 అంటే 20 అనేది ఎండింగ్ విత్ 0 ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని క్యూబ్ చేస్తే దాని రైట్ సైడ్ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తున్నాయి? 3 జీరోస్ వస్తున్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఫర్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్. సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఎ ట్రూ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? Now fifth statement is given. The cube of a single digit number. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. A single digit number. Okay na students? The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. I am taking here example. See here, I am taking 2 is a single digit number. Okay na? 2 is a single digit number. I am taking its cube. 2 cube ante that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equals to 8. Okay, 2 cube single digit number cube చేస్తే వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ కూడా సింగిల్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్. ఇక్కడ లెట్ us check some more examples. I am taking here 3 is a single digit number. Its cube, 3 cube means that is 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals to what now? 27. Then this time you get what now? 2 digit number. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ వచ్చాయి? 2 digit number 27. Like that only you take 4 cube means that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is equals to what? 64. So 4 is a single digit number, but its cube end with what nana? 60. ఇక్కడ 2 digit numbers తో end అయింది. Here 3 is a single digit number. Okay na? But it end with 2 digit numbers. So that's why ikkada only 2k possible avutundi. So we can say that the given statement is what nana? A false statement. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit or 2 digit. Okay na? Or 3 digit kuda avvadaniki chance untundi. Okay? Okay students, now sixth statement is given. There is no perfect cube. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. Which ends with 8. Okay students, this statement is true or false. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. For example, see, I am taking a 12 cube. 12 cube means what nana? That is 12 into 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. 144 12s are okay na 1728. Now this is end with 8 only na. 1728 is a perfect cubic number. But here saying there is no perfect cube which ends with 8 అన్నారు. But here a perfect cubic number ఇక్కడ 8 తోటి end అయింది. So that's why the given statement is what nana? False statement. Okay? Okay students. Now in third question, seventh statement is given. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. Which is true or false? I am taking here example. Okay, the cube of a 2-digit number. I am taking a 2-digit number 21. Its cube. 21 cube means what, Nana? That is 21 into 21 into 21. We get that is 9,000. Okay, 9,261. So the cube of a 2-digit number may be 3-digit number అన్నాడు. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ వచ్చాయి? 1 2 3 4. Okay, let us check the another number. So this time I am taking here 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. Its cube. 16 cube means what, Nana? That is 16 into 16 into 16. That is equals to 4096. So the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. But ikkada any digits vachayi? 4 digits. So that's why the given statement is what, Nana? False statement. Okay students. So now one more question. Okay students. Now the question is, find the 2-digit number which is a square number and also a cubic number. Find the 2-digit number which is a square number and as well as a cubic number. Now see here. Okay, I am taking a 2-digit number 64. 64 what, Nana? It is a 2-digit number. We know we can write it as 8 square. Okay na, 8 square means what, Nana? 64. Now we can say that 64 is a square number. Square number. And as well as again 64 is a cubic number, but 4 cube. 4 cube means what, Nana? That is
64.
64. Then it is a cubic number. So we can say that a 2-digit number which is a square number and as well as cubic number, that is what, 64. So this is the required solution for this question. So okay students, thank you. We will meet in next class.